Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up the bedtime alarm for Nintendo Switch. So if you have parental controls enabled, then you can go to the app on your smartphone, and then you want to go to the console settings. Then over here you need to choose the playtime limit. Now over here you can choose the days individually over here if needed, of course. But if not, then you will see only two options. You will see the playtime limit and the bedtime alarm. So in order to set the bedtime alarm, let's choose this option, and then you can decide when should be the bedtime alarm triggered. Let's say I'm gonna choose 8 p.m. And after that, I can press this button over here in order to save the changes. If you want to, you can also go back over here and set this individually. Then it looks like this. And in order to update the bedtime alarm for a different day, let's say for Saturday, I'm gonna go to the Saturday. Over here, I will choose the bedtime alarm, and then I'm gonna choose, let's say, 10 p.m. instead. And if I go back, then as you can see, for every day there is the bedtime alarm set to 8 p.m. But for Saturday, it is 10 p.m. instead. So I can save the changes, and it is updated. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.